Alberta will be providing health coverage immediately to all Ukrainians arriving through the federal program, and we will be immediately offering enrollment in K-12 schools in their new communities to ensure continued education and access language learner programs if necessary. We'll be providing for an Alberta identification card, including a driver's license, to access important services and supports like healthcare and banking services. We'll be providing for licensed childcare programs in the communities that work best for Ukrainian families who arrive here. We'll be providing for access to organizations and resources that can help find work and build careers in Alberta, such as the Alberta support centers across the province, including searching for jobs specifically for Ukrainian arrivals. And I should mention that it's in the federal program that these individuals are arriving in, they do have an automatic open work permit to enable them to work legally. We will be providing for access to community adult learning programs to improve financial and literacy skills, including English as an additional language. And we'll also be providing a reference guide at alberta.ca/Ukraine in English and Ukrainian with detailed information on resources and supports that can help Ukrainian arriving here settle into their new communities. So we'll be taking other additional steps, but we wanted to look at the full spectrum of government programs to ensure rapid access, because these individuals have already faced enough adversity in recent weeks.
We don't know where we're heading, but what we do know is last week on last Thursday, Alberta Health had indicated that 290 health care cards were issued. And so we know that there's at least 290 in Alberta. In Edmonton, we've had about 170, but it's hard to really gauge. We don't have a formal system in place where we're tracking, but we're gauging about 170 in Edmonton that had arrived through the Edmonton airport, and possibly 50 or so through Calgary. Every day we do get arrivals of 10 plus people. What we heard today from the Minister of Advanced Education, that there's going to be some adult literacy education support available, which is going to be critical. What we've been hearing from our newcomers is there's access to learning English as a second language. There has been a gap. And so we are grateful to hear that there is that support coming into place. We know that that's fundamental and key to the beginning of the process of being successful.